Hey, you guys, welcome back to Lady T Got the Tea, where we got the cakes, we got the crabs, and you know we got the Timu reviews over here. Stay over here where the tea is always hot. So come sip and snack and spill some tea with me, your girl, Lady T Got the Tea. Okay, you guys, here's all the ingredients, although it will be linked in the description below, or pause this video to see everything. Okay, you guys, so I have a cup and a half of the ginger snaps grinded up. We have 3 tablespoons of melted butter. It's okay if it's some cookies that aren't all the way broken up. And we are adding nothing else to it. We're gonna mix this up now. Okay, guys, like saying, add it into this pan. And we're just gonna press it down. If you want to go up the edges, you can. But I use a bottom crust, y'all. And you can use graham crackers if you choose, or you can use the Biscoff cookies, or Lotus Biscoff cookies. I made it with that also. But this is a super easy. If you're a cheesecake lover, if you love pumpkin things for the season, because you know the fall is coming up. So let's get to the next step and let's start the cake builders. I got my cream cheese softened, and to that I am adding a cup of sugar. We have 3 eggs. Well, actually, okay, let me go and roll my vanilla in there. Those 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And I am doing, as soon as I start stirring, I am doing 3/4 cup of sour cream, and I am going to mix, you guys. Okay, y'all, let me plug her in. Okay, you guys, we're gonna add 1 egg at a time. Let's add the next egg. Make sure you guys are scraping down the sides of your bowl. Okay. Don't want to overbeat this. And we are going to set this to the side. Filling. So to this we are adding, I have, I got a teaspoon of allspice, a teaspoon and a half of pumpkin season, and 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. I have 2 tablespoons of flour, and we are going for a half a cup of brown sugar. Half a cup of brown sugar. And we are going to mix this up. Add 1 egg. Take a cheesecake filling, and she goes. Into the oven for 50 to 65 minutes. We'll be back. Also, I have a pan of water up under it. I forgot to say that, you guys. Sorry. And there it is, you guys. So, okay, mine cooked for 65 minutes. When I turned the oven off, I cracked the oven and let it stay in the oven for another hour before bringing them out. And yeah, they're cooling. I'll still let them sit out for another 30 minutes or so before I put them in the refrigerator. Also, you guys, if you want to make a topping for it, you can take 8 ounces of sour cream, 1/3 of a cup of powdered sugar, and a teaspoon of vanilla. Mix it together and spread it on top of there. Put it in your fridge. You know, let it chill at least 3 hours, you guys. You gotta let these settle. These are cheesecakes. And you're good to go. Or you can just eat it like this. So I hope you guys will try this fall recipe. And like I said, if you like cheesecake, if you like pumpkin and cheesecake, you will love this recipe. Yeah, so leave some comments down below what you think about it if you tried it. Tag me in. And yeah, it is your girl, Lady T got the tea, with some fall pumpkin cheesecake for you guys. Enjoy.
Trust you, I tell you, I won't waste your time. I turn it up just so I can tell you, I'ma make you say it loud. I'm not even tripping, I won't stress you out.